Sishona kanjalo kwelanga lesibili ilanga sikubingelele wena wekunene sikwamukela Tindzabeni teswati la SABC wana sibunge Natal namuhla. Umkhakha wetemnotho lokhicita imisebenti lesemthethweni lapho abantu basebenza ngalokuphelele nobe basebenze kwesikhashana lahlekelwe umsebenzi liphathekako ekoteni yesibili eminyaka. Tibalo takamuva letikhishwe be-Stats SA tikhomba ukuthi imisebenzi inciphe ngale ngu-120,000 emkhathini wendlovu nenhlaba.
Ikota yesibili yeminyaka ibukene tingcinamba tetikhukhula KwaZulu Natal kanye nekucishwa kagesi kucashwa ngalokuphelele kwehle ngetinkulungwane letilishumi ikakhulukati ngenxa yekulahlekelwa imisebenti kutemabhizinisi tekwakha kanye netinsita temphakatsi. Kucasha kwesikhashane kwehle ngetinkulungwane ngenxa yekulahlekelwa imisebenti yemphakatsi nasetimbonini tekukhicita. Lokulahleka kwemisebenzi lokuchubekako kubufakazi besimo semnotfo lesingakemi kahle. Nekuphela kwemisebenzi yekubalwa kubantu emakhaya nako kubalwa njengekulahlekelwa kwemisebenzi.
I think we should not be surprised given some of the pressures. We know of course that interest rates have started to climb, so the financial conditions of manufacturers are probably quite tight. We know of course that during that same quarter we saw a down scale in economic growth, and of course we've also seen the disruptions in energy provision.
Kukhula kwemnotho kulindeleke ukuthi kunciphe ngemaphesenti lamabili kanti nelikusasa lekwakhiwa kwamathuba emisebenzi lilufipha.
Employment is a function of economic growth, and economy, yes, last year grew very strongly, and this year is expected to slow very sharply because of monetary policy tightening.
Kucinywa kwagesi tikhawukhawu kufaka linyeve esilonzeni kanti kwenda kucikatela kwemnotho kubhebhetheleke.
I-ANC yesifundza saKwaZulu Natal ivete ngalokusobala kwesekela kayo Dr. Zweli Mkhize ukuthi angene lo mbango wesikhundla sekuba ngumengameli we-ANC ngengongoni kulomnyaka losetulu. Lunga lesigungu lesetulu ku-ANC Dr. Zuma bekholelwa ukuthi nguye umuntu losemathubeni ekhola lenhlangano, kepha-ke libito lakhe amange liphakanyiswe lesifundza sifisa ukuthi Paul Mashatile abe lisekela lamengameli.
Kubonakala umbono omningi wamagatsha kakhulu sevumelana ukuthi acabanga ukuthi abantu abangahola i-ANC ku-national upresident umongameli kungaba uDokotela uZweli Mkhize, usekela mongameli ngaba uPaul Mashatile, u-national chairperson kube Stand Mathabata.
Esikhundleni sikanobhala jikelele weqembu, abaholi besifundazwe baphakamise igama lika Phumulo Maswale oqhamuka e-Eastern Cape kanye noNomvula Mukhonyane ukuba abe liphini lakhe. Iqembu esifundazweni liphinde lanxusa ke umengameli wezwe uMnumzane uCyril Ramaphosa ukuba akhombe indlela isikhulu esiphezulu sakwa Eskom kanye nebhodi lalenkampani ehlinzeka ngogesi.
Iyacaca ukuthi iboard no CEO abantu abangazi bakwenzekani kwa-Eskom ufuna sifaka abantu ikakhulu upresident esebenza nongqongqoshe or relevant ila department makenze sure ukuthi ufaka iboard no CEO ikakhulukazi umuntu onesipiliyoni sokusebenza nokukhiqizwa kagesi.
I-ANC esifundazweni ithi izokunxenxa ke nezinye isifundazwe ukuba zeseke loluhlu labaholi engqungqutheleni ke elandelayo yokukhetha ubuholi ngoDisemba. Kepha ke abaholi beqembu esifundazweni ke nabo bathi bazoyamukela imbono yezinye isifundazwe ngalolu daba. NginguSiyiphume makhanya wezindaba ze-SABC ngiseThekwini.
Nanobeke mengameli waphambili Zuma akuvete kwacaca kwesekela kwakhe Dr. Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma kuthi angene lo mchithelwano kuba ngumengameli we-ANC nane kuthi naye uyasiphakamisa sakhe sandla kukhethelwa kuba ngosihlalo kunkomfa yekukhetha abuholi balenhlangano, kepha i-ANC yaKwaZulu Natal iphakamise Dr. Zweli Mkhize njengamengameli na Paul Mashatile njengelisekela.
I-ANC yesifundeni saKwaZulu Natal ichamuke nesinqumo lesehlukile kulesi salona bekangumengameli Zuma ngemva kwema-awala ambalwa aphumele ebaleni aseka Dr. Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma kuthi angenele umchudzelwano wekuba ngumengameli we-ANC nekuthi ukulungele kungenela lona wekuba ngusihlalo walenhlangano libusako. Sihlalo we-ANC Gwede Mantashe uthi lihlaya lela Zuma.
I was his secretary for 10 years. I take that as the biggest joke of the year actually.
I-ANC KZN isekela Dr. Zweli Mkhize kusebumengameli, kube sekuthi Paul Mashatile abe ngisekela mengameli, kube sekuthi sihlalo kube ngiStanley Mathabatha. Zuma umile kulele ukuthi Dr. Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma nguye lokulungele kuhola inhlangano ye-ANC.
We know the letter of the former president. Remember, former president is a member of the ANC, belong to a branch. I think it's like all other members of the ANC. Then we will go and canvass his views to his branch. But I think we are also misreading the letter. He never said he supported Nkosazana to be president, Mam Nkosazana. He said Mam Nkosazana is still fit to be a leader of the ANC. He is correct.
Njobe Dlamini Zuma ngakakhetfwa kulesa sifundza, umhlatiwe tepolitiki Thami Malinga uthi ANC KZN yende buhlakani.
They are able to convince the voters that will be coming from all of those regions. They'll be able to convince the PECs and the regions and all of that. You know, it's a very strategic move in that.
Njobe simo sime kanje, umzoliswane kulesikhundla lesisetulu usemkhatsini wa David Mabuza, Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma, Zweli Mkhize na Cyril Ramaphosa.
Indvuna yetekubusa ngehlanganyela neTindzaba Dr. Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma ithi uhulumende ubuka kwenta tingucuko ekuchaseni kwetimali kwabomasipala. Bomasipala banetinhlelo letinzatfu labatfola ngato timali ekwenteni umsebenzi wabo, lokho kufaka ekhatsi imithelo yempahla, imali leyakhiwe ngalokudlulele emsebentini yesive nalebayitfole kuhulumende wavelonke. Kanti indvuna ibambe ingcungcutsela yamalanga lamabili yabohulumende basemakhaya lihlose ngayo kwenta ngcono kusebenta kwabohulumende basemakhaya.
Since our last summit, we have recorded very notable progress in delivering quality services. Yes, 90% of households have access to electricity. Now it's just to make sure that the 10% also has access, but that electricity is constant and consistent.
Ngakulokunye ikhuluma lekungcungcutsela indvuna etimali nokotongwana ivumile ukuthi kukhona lapho umgcini mafayini lekhona tinqumo letingasito kuphendwa itimali leminyaka lemithathu lengcile. Kule ngcungcutsela kuvele lidzaba lendlela echaswa ngayo bohulumende basemakhaya ngetimali. Lokhu kusukela elidzabeni lekuthi labanye bomasipala bakhona ukufanisa ngenxa yokuthi abakhona ingenisa imali yanele nemithelo lokwenta ukuthi bagcine sebafunela enye imali kuhulumende wavelonke.
The starting point in financial management, when people decide, a council sits and decide to approve an unfunded budget. When you approve an unfunded budget, by choice, you make a decision that you are going to make an expenditure or you are going to spend money you don't have. 175 municipalities have passed unfunded budgets. Can't be right.
Sigungu lesetulu se-ANC eMpumalanga besicela umphathi wamasipala wemkhondo ukuthi avule isikhala temsebenzi kulandzela ukuthi i-ANC imise emsebentini emalunga ayo lasithupha, kepha lokhu kumiswe ngiwo lamalunga ngemva kokuthi abhalele umphathi walomasipala amchazele ukuthi isakhulunyiswa lendzaba ngetinhlelo tangekhatsi kuleli cembu. Kusichazela ke kabandi ngalolu dzaba sina Mthobisi Mkhaliphi loyintsatseli SABC letinte eMpumalanga. Asikuvusele ke Mkhaliphi sikwamukele Tindzabeni teSiswati.
Vusela kuwe ngivusela nombukeli.
Ungasipha umlandvo lomfisha ukuthi kufike njani lapho kucoshwa khona emalunga e-ANC lasithupha kulo masipala?
Lo daba luqubuka ngemva kokuthi ke leqembu le-ANC libhalele obambe njengomasipala noma imanager kamasipala umkhondo bemazisa ukuthi ke iqembu selithathe isinqumo sokuthi akumiswe lamakhansela ayisithupha kule amkhandlu. Lokhu kuba kwenza ngoba bethi lamakhansela asamisiwe njengokuthi abe ngamalunga ka-ANC noma axoshiwe ekutheni abe ngamalunga e-ANC. Ngakho ke bathi ke asekho isizathu sokuthi bangaqhubeka noma singathi baqhubeka ke babe ngamakhansela. Ngokuchaza kwanobhala we-ANC kulesifundazwe uMusi Chirwa uthi laba abayisithupha ke balahle ngamacala ukuthi abalalelanga iqembu. Ngemva kwalokho ke bafaka isicelo sokuthi kubuyekeze leso sinqumo. Kodwa ke leso sinqumo leso sachithwa ukuthi kubuyekeze ukuthi bangaxoshwa kuleli qembu njengamalunga e-ANC.
Ithini i-ANC kunginyalo ngalolu dzaba?
Okuyibona abakushoyo njenge-ANC bathi ke kulolu daba bona abakulindele ukuthi kuqhubeke nokuthi ke kubanje ukhetho lokuchibiyela kulomkhandlu njengoba bethi ke laba abamakhansela bamisiwe. Kodwa ke mhlawumbe futhi ukucacisa kabanzi ngokuthi iziphi lezi ntolo okuyizona abathi ngeke ungahloniphi iqembu. Kuthiwa ngemva kokhetho ke lohulumende basekhaya ngonyaka odlule azange balandele umyalelo weqembu lokuthi ke kuqokwe abantu abathile ezikhundleni zomasipala nokwaholela ekuthenini umuntu ozoba ngumeya kube ngumuntu ongenela ukhetho ngokuzimela kanti ke ospeaker kanye no-chief whip kwaba ngabantu bamaqembu amanye amancane nakuba ke iqembu le-ANC linezihlalo eziningi kulo mkhandlu.
Kwanyalo ke sinjani isimo kulo masipala?
Isimo ngokwezepolitiki sona sikho manzonzo kakhulu kodwa ke sike sabona amalunga omphakathi ezinyangeni ezimbalwa ezendlule bebhikisha bekhala ngokungasetshenziswa kahle kwezezimali zalomkhandlu. Kanti ke futhi okunye okuyinkinga enkulu abahlali bekhala ngakho abahlali indaba kagesi ukuthi ugesi uhamba kakhulu kumasipala womkhondo nokubangelwa i-load shedding ka-Eskom kuphinde futhi kubangela ukuthi nawo umasipala unohlelo lawo lokucisha ugesi ngenhloso yokuwonga. Ngakho ke bathi bachitha amahora amaningi bengenawo ugesi.
Asibonge kakhulu Mkhaliphi isikhathi sakho. Iqembu le-ANC seligeze tandla ekubekeni inkulumo engcungcutseleni ye-COSATU. Sihlalo we-ANC Gwede Mantashe ukhishwe esiphudukani wahewulwa nakathi wetama kwethula inkulumo yakhe itolo njengoba isebenzi bethukuthele ukuthi imiholo yada ikhushulwa solo wathi Tinhlelo amange ke sengakhulumi engcungcutseleni ye-COSATU ANC.
Yeah, I'm leaving now, yes.
Lawa ngemavila khulunywe ngusihlalo we-ANC njengoba bamalele ukuthi akhulume kule nkomfa ye-COSATU. Gwede Mantashe uthi sekuyinjwayelo ukuthi baholi be-ANC bahlukunyetwa buye futhi bathukwe. Ngetuluka lo sihlalo we-ANC uthi kude umholo tawukhuluma kule nkomfa manje.
No, there will be no discussion. There's no need for that. But the delegation is there, but there's no need for it. Because if the speaker of the ANC, irrespective of who that is not allowed to speak on day 1, on day 2. You can't say on day 3 or the last day you are allowing the speaker of the ANC. That will be equal to disrespect.
Letinhlelo temfelandzaweni atendi kahle kuswele live laphuma ngaphansi kwesandla semcinze teli. Mabhana jikelo we-SABC Solomapayila uthi kuyoba kulihlazo kulahlekelwa ngumbuso.
If we lose political power, comrades, as a revolutionary movement, let alone the decision that you might take as Congress, generally as a revolutionary movement, this spells disaster for all of us because of poor leadership.
Laba ngekhathi kuletinhlelo bathi SABC kumele itimele. Nga-2017 SABC yathi isadzingitsa kabani ukuthi bangangenelela yini lukhetho lwanga-2019 nanyalo sekukhulunywa lokho.
So don't ever say the SABC is not ready. That is incorrect. The SABC is ready. The issue is in its readiness. Is the working class ready?
Letinhlelo temfelandzaweni tisenkingeni njengoba i-SABC ibona ngathi lelive lisemvelo ushintshweni. Kanzi ngala ye-COSATU yalile ukuthi i-ANC ikhulume kule nkomfa yayo lekushiya tindvo tilenga.
Icala likhwabanisa eplasini letinkomo telibise eFree State i-Estina lelifake ekhatsi emadvodza lamabili lanyaniswa nemndeni wakagupta lihlehliselwe kumhlati nge-27 kulomnyaka lodako. Basolwa babukene nemacala la emene nekukhwabanisa nekwephula umtsetfo wekuthengiselana.
Kamal Vasrem na Salish Indarch babekwe licala ukukhwabanisa imali elinganiselwa ku-37 million emarandi. Lobu cala buhambisana nalomklamo longadange uphumelele wase-Estina eFree State edolobheni laseFred. Umbuso uthi lo mklamo bekuhlose ukuthi usebente njengendlela yokugeza imali lengcolile. Kepha iSARS kanye nebaphenyi labasetulu bathole ukuthi labasolwa bavete emaphepha lanensengo lesetulu kakhulu kufakazela imali ye-VAT lokumele bayithole. Ngekusho kwalabasolwa umshini wokuhluda lubisi wabita 37.7 million emarandi lokuyimali lengetulu kakhulu kunalensengo yalomshini. Umbuso nebemthetho labamele labasolwa kulindzele ukuthi bafake emaphepha latosita ukuthi kucale ukuthethwa kwalelicala ekupheleni kwenyanga yeLweti kulomnyaka losetulu. Umkhandlu lomele labasolwa utshele inkantolo namuhla ukuthi ukhathatekile ngalendlela licala lithethwa ngayo. Bafuna ukuthi lithethwe liphele ngekusheshsha. Lelicala selehlehliswe emahlandla lamane kusukela umnyaka uqalile.
Imithetho netinhlelo temkhicido yemafutha etimoto seyiholele ekutheni kumiswe libhizinisi laSibusiso Shabango lebekakhicida petrol ngemva kwemoto wakubo enkomazi eMpumalanga. Lokhu kuthiwa kubangwa ukuthi ungcolisa imvelo. Masipala wesigodi ihlanzeni eMbombela weluleke Shabango ngekuthi endehlelo lihlolo lokuthinzeka kwemvelo alinze ukuthi avunyelwe ukuchubeka naleli business lakhe.
Sibusisa ushabangu wenda amafutha etimoto lahlukene kasihlanu kanzi leti Tindzaba lijabulisako njengoba enda lamafutha ngetibi. Kepha liphupho lakhe liyangekushabalala nje ukuthi phathe imandla tamisa lokusebenza kwakhe.
But now on the environmental people, they say that I should stop with the immediate effect because like I'm triggering a lot of studies. And that one is a fast rate because I don't have the actual capital that to do all that. And hence the operation in Mile, we are not doing anything and it's killing the passion.
The cost emission, actually, from the environment perspective, it actually affects the horizon. And those things are very dangerous to the people before it goes higher. We advised him, not even stopped him before. We actually started by advising that no, you should just apply for the license or the permission to do so.
Kepha ke baningi labajabulela lo msebenzi wakhe kulomkhakha bathembise kumsita wetimali ukuthi aqhubeke ngetifundo takhe akhona ukuchubeka naleli phupho lakhe.
Firstly, we'll be helping him to complete his mechanical engineering degree. We'll be supporting with the funding for that at the local TVET college, so that he has a certificate behind his name, even though he's pursuing a venture in the chemical manufacturing.
Kepha shabangu bekafise kusekelwa ngetimali tokhona ukuchubeka neliphupho lakhe.
Sikubeka lapha ke tala muhla nasiphethe itolo khona into zakhe mathebula nesimo selitulo nisale kahle.